viewers, ako nga po pala si Angel May Di Manuel mula sa Grade 12 Mansikap. At ngayon, pag-aaralan natin ano ba yung information literacy. Ang information literacy is our ability to read information, evaluate it, and find the correct and reliable information. It is our skill to fully understand information and use it properly, especially in our daily lives. For example, when you doing research, you need to find the right source of information. You shouldn't rely to the fake news that you just hear or see from the random places. You have to read and understand the information carefully and use it in our report with proper citation. Lesson about information literacy is regarding to fake news is that we shouldn't just accept any information without knowing whether the source is true or not. This is very important, especially nowadays when fake news is common, especially during election. When different kind of fake news and about politician, we want to vote for are being spread. That's why when we look for information about politician or anything else, it shouldn't be from reliable and truthful source. We must first examine and verify if the information we got is true or fact. Ayun lang. Salamat po. Bye-bye!